I am the champ. Challenge me. Time is short. Once again, for the special, go for the high-level board. Play gently to beat me. Quick, hit the special. Shoot the special 30 red. Yellow. Go for the special. Well done. You have orange. 10. You're good. But I'm still the champ. 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Challenge the champ. Good, you're a champ. Wow, this is a maximum score. This is a real champ playing. What a low score. Try harder. Be careful. The last ball. Be ready for the game time bonus. That's naughty. Another coin, please. Sorry, the time is over.